What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to take a quick look at the crypto market and gonna uh, present to you guys two projects that a friend of mine brought to my attention, which I think have quite a bit of opportunity to make a good amount of money. But as always, none of what we talk about here is financial advice. It's more information to help aid you guys in your own research. And last but not least, we will uh, talk a little bit about Shido. Just gonna go over what's going on, the latest that's going on with the project itself. And so, Bitcoin, it's over $72,000 at this point. It goes down a little bit, and man, it just continues to come back, and it's strong, man. Bitcoin is super strong. So it's just a matter of time where it just goes to $75,000, and beyond. Ethereum also pretty strong, still holding over $4,000. It's getting close to breaking the all-time highs, which I think it was like $4,800 or $4,900. So watch out for that. Keep a look out for that, especially with the new upgrade that's coming with the Denkun upgrade. Should be able to help it, continue to push upward. Everything else a little flat. Avalanche, however, had a big day today. Toncoin, I don't have any position with Toncoin, but today it just went quite a bit up. Near, I do have a position in Near, and I did DCA when it was red. I think it was yesterday or the day before, and I am very happy today. I want to take a look at Algo, and Algo today has been going up as well. Not bad, a 7% increase. I think it was sitting like 26 cents. What was it like when it retraced? I think it was like last night or something like that. And today it's regained, um, you know, momentum. And I think that the next stop for Algo is 34 cents, and then, but Algo is going to continue going up, guys. Soon enough, it's going to break the 50-cent mark, and it's going to be on its way to $1, which will be fabulous. And so, all right, well, let's hit the first project, which is GraphLink Chain. Um, let's take a look. It's around 13 cents. It's gone down today. I open a position with this project because I think it has a lot of potential. And as you guys can see, the market cap is under $50,000, which is absolutely great. Still a small cap project. I like the fact that even the total amount of tokens is less than $1 billion, 650. Okay, but in circulation is 340 million, which lets me know that if this project does take off and it has like really good traction, and I mean like really, really good traction, I mean, this is a project that could easily do, a 100x, honestly. A $13 um, price tag is not unheard of. It would basically just put this project at like around what, $4 billion or something like that. And there's a lot of money in the space to be able to cover for that. And we're still at the beginning, guys. That's the whole thing to consider. Can it do? Can it get to $1 billion? Yeah, can it get to $10 billion? Absolutely. that would put this thing up like in the close to the $30 mark. So absolutely insane, okay, potential. But for that, this project has to, um, you know, get traction um, and you know, produce, deliver on their promises. Okay. So what is GraphLink? GraphLink, they say that they are a no-code blockchain for Web3 automation, dApps, and AI. They have, I'm going to go a little bit into that, but we're going to look at some of these posts. They're introducing GraphLink and AI. Okay, so it is an AI play, guys, which is very important. Why? The narrative, guys. The narrative is everything, okay? And AI is super duper hot, okay? Okay, so the whole purpose of this project is to help simpletons, okay, that don't have any coding skills to be able to create dApps, applications and stuff like that, which is absolutely great. They hit some milestones, okay? Yesterday they hit 1,000 stakers. That's great. And their total value lock, okay, the amount of money that they've been able to lock in the ecosystem is $21 million. It's very small, okay, compared to uh, the bigger projects, but man, I mean, they are still going in the right direction. And I think this is absolutely amazing because that means that there are people that are actually trusting their money and they're putting it in this ecosystem so it can continue to grow. Okay, this is good. Let's take a look at, this is the other one we're going to talk about here, but let's look at, so this is what I was saying. They're trying to simplify, okay, the building on the on the blockchain. Okay, they want to make sure that people that don't have a lot of skills, are not sophisticated in the coding world. If you're not a techie person, I mean, this should be able to help you create something, okay, that you would want to, maybe you have an idea that's great, but you're like, man, I have no idea how to go about it. And you could use this project to be able to help you build whatever it is, that idea that you have that you don't know how to even start. Let's see. It says here on the right, GraphLink protocol provides a no-code tool, okay, for creating complex applications without the need for coding skills. Okay, and this is what I've been telling you guys about. I like that idea, guys. I truly like that idea because it just simplifies the whole building aspect of the blockchain, guys. This right now, I'm sure most people see this and like, yeah, whatever. But this could potentially be revolutionary. And so that's why I'm super excited about this project. And that's why I decided to open a position in it. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is Layer AI. It's also, as you guys can see in the name, it's an AI play, which is amazing. But it's not only an AI play. You guys are going to see that it is also um, a layer 2, okay, in the Ethereum blockchain. It's been down today a little bit. I did take advantage of the red day and I opened a position in this project as well. So the market cap on this one is even lower than the other one, which means it has more room to actually grow. this one, um, it has 180 million tokens in circulation, but the total supply is 3 billion. Okay? So it's got more tokens than I really want out there, but I mean, it's fine. They are doing something though that is helping with the uh, with the token, the amount of token in circulation. I'm gonna uh, touch up on that as we get there. So the project layer AI. So this project is a layer 2, guys. It's also an AI, as I mentioned, and they want to create the first AI economy independently functioning on our native blockchain. Okay, I'm sure a lot of projects are trying to do the same thing. That's why they have their own tokens and the such. But you see, these guys, this is what I wanted to mention about the whole token situation, is that they're actually burning a lot of tokens. Okay, so just 13 hours ago, uh, just from ecosystem fees, they burned $29,000, okay, worth of tokens, which just helps that liquidity, you know, bring up the remaining tokens that are in circulation. They've burned so far 371, almost 372,000 tokens, which is amazing. It is great. What we deploy? Okay, so Kyoto X. Okay, so they've done some partnerships. Kyoto X saying that the native trading desk for AI focus to do. Okay, they're gonna deploy this on the mainnet of Layer AI. Okay, it's for their ZK Layer 2. Okay, and I mean, you guys can continue. When you're doing your own research, you guys can come here to Twitter and just look, up information. Now let's go to their website. So we're gonna. There's something I wanted to show you guys this. Let's go up here. Okay. All right. So this is practically like their whole gig, guys, is data, 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 because AI without data is practically useless, guys. Okay, so they are trying to um, harvest the information, okay, data to make uh, this project. Uh, it sounds, cheesy, one of a kind, um, but they're trying to use that for other sectors as well. I'm going to show you guys. So layer VPN, okay, this is one of the things that they're trying to do, is that users upon downloading the layer VPN, okay, app, is that and having equipped their data capsule are able to earn reward tokens for browsing the web. So if you download this layer VPN, okay, and you use it in your browser, when you use your internet, you will be able to earn tokens. It's almost like farming, I guess, to a certain extent. And yeah, I wanted to mention this to you guys because this is almost like a real world asset. Also play. So it's like a layer 2 for Ethereum. It is an AI play, and it's almost like a real world asset, okay? Because this layer AI, they're saying here that improves the data quality, okay, for all these sectors, okay? Fitness, infrastructure, biotech, logistic, gaming, medicine. If it's able to help all these sectors, guys, this project could be absolutely game changing. All right. Like I said, I know there's probably other projects that are doing the same. But, you know, even if this project itself doesn't take most, but if it takes a good chunk, it will do so well. And like I said, it's got three things going on: the layer two, the AI narrative, and the real world asset narrative as well. All right, so those are the two projects. Let's take a quick look at Shido. And let's see where it's at. It's 4% down today. It's fine. It needs to cool off. Yesterday, it did take off quite a bit, but it's fine. Got around almost $22 million market cap. Little by little, going to continue to go up. You guys are going to notice this. And let's see what's happening with Shadow today. This is just an update. I'm sure probably nothing much has gone on, but all right. So here they're just reminding people that the launch is going to be March 29th. Already know that. And I think this is the biggest thing, is that the founder, he mentioned 3 hours ago that he is going to host, another AMA. He's going to do a video this week. It's going to give, the latest updates. So he's got a lot going on and he's very happy to share it. I think that after yesterday, he um, he was able to breathe a little bit, I'm sure. But it's good, that Shadow is going up. And of course, he's going to talk about the new centralized exchange listing. I want to find out so bad which exchange that is, but I'm not getting my hopes up. I think it's going to be a small exchange. However, guys, it is better for more exchanges to come on board than for none. Okay, so more liquidity. I mentioned this yesterday. So I will be on the lookout for this AMA, and whatever updates I can give you guys, I sure will. Well, guys, if you haven't hit like, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly consider doing so, so you guys can help this channel grow. At least I could put it somewhere in the corner of the whole YouTube map. Okay, a little tiny corner. Thank you guys for tuning in. And once again, I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.